We're super excited to tell you about the latest updates to our web client app in Zoom 8.0. Like the desktop browser, Web Client also supports themes. You can switch from light to dark theme. Browsing folders with filters turned on makes it simple to locate specific types of assets. For example, select the filter Birds and see all of the files matching birds. Switch to the Video folder and you will continue to see all assets that match birds. Browse the version history directly from the web client. Select an asset and click on the version label to see all the revisions. Even preview a previous version from the version history. Web Client supports searching across all assets in your repository, even inside a video. For example, select the filter Outdoors to see all assets where outdoor scenes exist. You can then go straight to the locator and find the point where outdoor actually shows up inside the video. The brand new Web Client Metadata Logger makes it easy to use keyboard shortcuts when adding new markers to the timeline. Add multiple markers, and once they are added, these large handles on the markers make it simple to change the duration of the markers, to move them around, and even overlap them with existing markers. Video editing capabilities in the web client allow you to select in and out points in a large footage, transcode, and then download the clip. You can also use metadata tags to find important moments in a video. For example, if you want to find all the goals scored by Messi, just select the tag where Messi shows up and click Download to grab the video clip. Web Client provides a simple image editor which allows you to open a graphics such as a Photoshop file. Select Crop Area, add a text label, choose a font color, change the font size, even underline the text, and then, once you have created the crop with the new text, you can click on Download button to download the asset to your desktop and preview it. No need for Photoshop or any other app for basic graphics editing. The web client supports a simple drag-and-drop mechanism to ingest assets. You can drag and drop single files or an entire folder. It will automatically upload the content through a queue mechanism. Additional files can be added to the queue without waiting for the first ingest to finish. Once content is uploaded, you can easily search, find, and preview it. Use the advanced search feature in the web client with one or more criteria such as IPTC keywords combined with other metadata fields to perform searches. Like in this scenario, find assets matching birds using IPTC keywords. Want to apply metadata to a bunch of assets quickly? Simply select multiple assets, click on the Edit Metadata button, enter the keyword, click Save, and all assets are tagged. These are just some of our updates. Experience more at our blog.